Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix WhatsApp image or video download fail problem solved. Error while downloading all media files from WhatsApp, that's what you will need to do. If you're using ad blocker apps on your phone, try turning them off. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open WhatsApp app. Click three dot icon. Then click Settings. Click Storage and Data. Then click Network Use. Click Reset Statistics. Select Reset. Click Back. Then click Manage Storage. Click Continue. Then allow all permission. Here you will check if your phone memory data is full. Many times, no image or video downloaded due to phone data being full. Then long press WhatsApp app. Click App Info. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Then click Permission. Allow all permission. Open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type WhatsApp. Click WhatsApp. If you get any update, please update. Hope your problem will be solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.